Hey everybody, good afternoon, good day to you, depending on the time you're watching this video actually. So we are at the mall today, Shoprite precisely, and I thought to do an update video of the happenings within and around Enugu this weekend. It's actually a Saturday and a very beautiful day to be in Enugu. All right. And I thought to just do an update video. This is the mall, Shoprite Mall. As you can see, usually packed full on Saturdays. It's still quite early. Towards evening now, everywhere will be filled up. All right. So this is Cobb's event place. There's an event center here called Cobb's. I think there's a wedding going on there today. Or something is happening though. See these people, they dressed in uniform. Something is happening in Cobb's today, right? It's a beautiful event center right here Saturday. Okay, so this is Shoprite. Games is down there. This particular building houses a lot of stores, Gossip, Shoprite, a lot, and banks too, First Bank, MTN, a lot of offices actually. I can't remember all the names right now though. So this is the exit of Shoprite. There's a police station there, okay, that keeps here safe and secure. So basically I'm just going to be showing you around. I'm heading from GRA where Polo Park Mall is. I'm heading from GRA to Presidential Road. Okay, so I'll just carry you along. So just take a look at Enugu, our beautiful city of Enugu. This is celebrities. I'm going to be passing through the tunnel on my way to Presidential Road, so that you get to see this area. This is All Saints Church. All Saints, that is Abakaliki Lane. That road leads straight to New Market. This is All Saints Church. This is opposite All Saints Church. Alright, so we're just approaching the junction leading to the tunnel. This is straight down is Garden Avenue, Opera Avenue, and all the rest. Behind me is Abakaliki Road. Here is Enugu SME Center. Basically, there is a shopping mall here now with a lot of shops there. A lot of shopping malls have actually opened up in Enugu. So business is good, that's what it means. Business is good in Enugu, that's what it means, right? Yeah. Enjoy the view anyways. We're heading towards the tunnel. Ebano Tunnel. It's called Ebano Tunnel. I think it was built during Chimaroke Namani's time. Okay. Yeah. This place is Fidelity Estate. There is Fidelity Estate somewhere here. It's a beautiful estate. Okay, I'll pause. Yeah, so I saw policemen, so I had to pause the video a bit. This Ebano Tunnel. We're passing through the tunnel. Ebano Tunnel. There's a railway above the tunnel. Okay. So there in front of me is Auckland Hotels. Auckland has an amusement center. This hotel didn't used to be here before. It was just an amusement center, but now they have a hotel. There's Elim Plaza as well here. There's an event center. There's another event center inside there. It's new. This is Elim Plaza. And like I said, we're heading towards Presidential Road. So this is Ogui Road. We're connecting Ogui Road right now. This is Ogui Road. There's old artisan somewhere there. There's Njemanze, the popular Njemanze road. Njemanze is here. This is the Njemanze road, Njemanze junction somewhere there. This is Ogui road. This is Njemanze. So this is Ogui road. What has changed? Let me know in the comments section, please. What has changed so far? What do you recognize? What has changed in Enugu? Just please type in the comments box what you noticed, changes you've noticed in town. If you're not in Enugu, the last time you were here, what changes have you noticed? Let me know in the comments box. Enugu is a busy town. This is weekend. Today is a weekend, but everywhere is still quite busy. All right. Talk more of weekdays. Weekdays is usually busier these days. Enugu is getting really busy these days. A lot of people are moving in. It's actually one of the most desirable places to live in Nigeria, as a matter of fact. As a matter of fact, actually. Okay. So if you like this type of videos, please hit the like button, hit the comment button, so that I can do more. Then let me know in the comments, where else would you like to see within town, within Enugu town, I don't travel out of Enugu very often. So for those that wanted to see places outside Enugu, I'm sorry, I will show you whenever I travel there. So for now, within Enugu town, there's a traffic light here. That is Stadium down there. This is Eastern Shop. There's Eastern Shop somewhere there. This is Stadium. I'll pause the video and continue after this traffic light. Alright, so we're going past the traffic light. Traffic light has given us green to go. This is Stadium. We're turning into O'Connor Street. O'Connor. Houses, DHL, Eastern Shop. That's Eastern Shop there. And the likes. Traffic, busy town. This is Owerri Road. This is Owerri Road by the right here. Owerri Road goes across this O'Connor. O'Connor. There's this Catholic church here. I've forgotten the name. If you know the name of this Catholic church, please write it in the comments section. If you remember the name of that Catholic church, please write in the comment section. There's a shopping complex here now. There's a hospital here. This is Poly. All right, so this is the polyclinic. I'm sure a lot of you have not seen this improved polyclinic. It's fine now, right? Yeah. Okay, so we are connecting Presidential Road in a moment. Who likes to see Obiagu? If you like to see Obiagu, please let me know in the comments. Let me show you one of the places called Obiagu in Enugu. Who knows Obiagu? So Obiagu is to the right here. But we're going straight. We're heading towards Presidential Road actually. There's this new building coming up here. So this is Presidential Road. If you grew up in Presidential Road, please let me know in the comments box. If you grew up around here, Asata, Presidential Road, Obiagu, please let me know in the comments box. Let me know. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Hit the comments as well if you recognize anywhere. All right, so that I can do more of these type of videos for you. All right. This is Onato Junction. Presidential Road. This is Presidential Road. Car wash. This is called car wash junction. I think it's because of this car wash. There's a car wash here. That's why this place is popularly known as car wash. The junction is called car wash. There's a very big car wash shop there. This Presidential Road. Presidential Hotel is right in front there. This is Born Sunshine Hotel. Born Sunshine, one of the tallest hotels on this street, Presidential Road. Born Sunshine. Look at it. Beautiful hotel. There's First Bank here. And at this point, I've come to the end of my trip. I'm just going somewhere here. I thought to just bring you along, give you an update. This is Virgin Forest filling station. I'm sure you've not seen it, right? It's new actually. I think they're less than a year in Enugu now. Virgin Forest. Okay, so the video ended here. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments where else in town, in Enugu town, would you like to see. Enugu is one of the most desirable places to live in Nigeria, actually, as a matter of fact. And yes, I did this video to just bring you up to speed with updates within Enugu town. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments, where would you like to see next? Within town, all right? Subscribe, like this video if you like it, and tell me where you recognized in this video, all right? Thank you so much. Enjoy a fantastic day. I'm Jeff Anozie. I'm a real estate consultant. I help you purchase lands and houses in Enugu, Nigeria. And thank you so much for as many as have purchased through me, through us. We appreciate the encouragement. Thank you so much and enjoy a fantastic day. Bye for now.